you guys, I just got my new package. Can you tell what it is? It's my Elgato green screen. We're going to do an unboxing today. So let's get into the intro. What is what ain't what it should be. It's Spiffy and back again with a new unboxing. Let's get into it. Have a good old night for 10. Ooh, I sprayed down the whole box already with Lysol. You know, we gotta keep away germs. Let's pop it open. Ooh, jeez. There we go. This thing is huge. So hard to be in frame. Push out. Just push. Okay. We got some good old instructions. And just have it sliding out. Let's try to avoid having any foam on the floor. Definitely don't want to vacuum. Alright, let's go back in there. It has a little weight to it. I think it's like 27 pounds, something like that. Legs out. There's legs right under here. I'm gonna turn it. Ooh. One foot. Okay, now it's 30. 1 and 2. And we're going straight up. So it looks like wherever you sit it at, it just stays. And I'm going to set this up in my room and I'm gonna be good to go. Oh hey, we're in my room. Not the same day. New hair, new outfit. Homework came up. But anyways, we're in here to see the green screen set up on the computer. Let's get into it. And up and up and up and up and up. Boom. Okay, and that's literally it. You just pull it right on up. And then you pull it right on back down when you're done gaming, streaming, whatever you need to do with this green screen. Now let's see how good green screens are, other known as chroma key. And boom, we're here. We're in the little green screen box, as you can see. We're chroma keying right on in. Typically now with my editing, I do my chroma key editing after recording, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just do it live, so you guys can see how well it picks up the green screen, including my little green screen that I put on my chair. So yeah, that's what we have, and that's what we have done. Now that the show is over, make sure you visit the like button, the feedback box is down below, and most importantly, visit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.